Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can see online on Snapchat. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Snapchat app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be over here in this particular platform. Now from here, where you need to go is just go to your Snap Map. So once you're in the Snap Map, so you can see you're having peoples over here. So to see online, what you need to do is just go to that particular person. So I'm going to be choosing this one. So now over here you can see it says just now. So as he is online or the person is online, it will appear as just now. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you're going to be doing. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.